Hello, my dear lovely tech buddies. Welcome back to our channel, Vinish Tech Universe. This is your tech lover, Vinish. Today, I have posted a video on Deloitte hiring update for 2025 batch. So now I'm coming here to discuss about WIPRO and IBM job hiring updates. Earlier, also WIPRO and IBM has started the hiring updates for 2023-2024 batch with multiple job roles and job IDs. So even as of now, so many of the candidates got shortlisted and many of the candidates got selected in second round, third round. I think most of the people has not received the final selection result, I think so I'll definitely make a video on the selection process also, definitely, because I didn't receive any kind of update. So before getting into the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support is very much means to me a lot, so please do. Every support is, it's a very great thing to me, so I need your entire support. I need your entire subscription view. I need your single view also. So please, single view will be counted. So please do like and please do support to me. And before getting the application process, I would like to request you guys. So please apply all the job opportunities whichever I posted in my channel, because those are very genuine hiring updates. Because I researched it in many what I can say, LinkedIn or Glassdoor and in many hiring portals. So I got the main and very important and very useful hiring updates only I post in my channel. So that's why please do apply. So these are very good hiring opportunities. So please do apply each and everything. I'm getting into the delay. So please getting into the application process. So Wipro has already started the hiring process in the month of September and November. So it's been 3 months. Like Wipro has started the hiring process. I think this is a phase two hiring. In December, this hiring actually started, but the date was extended up to January 12th, 2025. So you can see I have already applied for Allied exclusive hiring. So the which was posted in the month of October, as I said. So if anyone have applied Allied exclusive hiring, so those candidates are not able to apply for the new hiring update or like Allied Telecom. This is where the new candidates we like whoever not started giving the registration. So the salary package all are same, but the resignation and role are different. I'll discuss with that one also. So for coming to the eligibility criteria, first of all, your education should be uh, education percentage should be more than 60% in both like 10th and inter as well as graduation also. So the year of passing in 2023 and 2024, the qualifications BE BTech and the CSE IT and ICSE ECE IT and cybersecurity people are eligible to apply. And if you have more one backlog, then it is allowed at the time of final assessment. After completion of final assessment, you should definitely complete the backlog also. At the joining, you should not have even single backlog, and max 3 year gap can be allowed, and no gaps will should be accepted in between graduation time. And they are looking for full time graduation candidates, and the role is project engineer. So the package is 3.5 lakhs. It is 12 months agreement job, and you can see the all the hiring process and test process here. So the first round consists of online assessment, like it consists of aptitude test, communication, online programming, and second round consists of technical round. Third round is HR round, and post this HR round, you'll get the LOI from the company to for your shortlisting report or result. So this is the update from Wipro. You can see if you click on this apply button, you can directly ask you to submit your resume, or you can directly create the resume by using templates which are there in that superset. And if you click on self made, then you can click ask you to click the proceed to apply. So if you have applied your if you upload your resumes in your profile, then you do not no need to submit again. So when I click on apply button, it is asking me to select these options and click on proceed. And you can see the company set a limit of one applications for this hiring, because I have already applied for Elite exclusive hiring previously. So that's why I'm not able to hiring for this apply again. So that's why I'm asking you to don't apply for this job if you have already applied in the past, like 3 months ago. So after 3 months, you can eligible to apply if you are not selected in that hiring. So the questions are very simple. You don't need to take much strain, or it's not like complicated one. So they just ask about your profile location and if you have a laptop or not, and what are the skills that you are good at. So please submit your answers. It won't take more than 5 minutes. So please do apply. Coming to IBM. So I would like to tell one thing. So most of the people recently they got the mails regarding IBM hiring update. So the position is associate system engineer. So eligibility is course completion should be must in 2024. It is open for more branches like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, dual degree, MSc, MCA from CSID branches. So the package is 4.5 LPA, and the registration date is it is like 9th January, but the registration date has been extended, so you can apply till even 15. I think 11th is the last date. I think so. So please do apply as soon as possible. So the registration process, first of all, you have to register through this link, and if IBM people send the any kind of person ID to you, so you can use that one, or else you can create with your own mail ID. I'll tell that one also. So after that one, you have to click on this redundancy form and you have to fill the redundancy form. So you just give your resume, your personal details, and your gender and region, city, and if you have any IBM referral from any employee, so you can give the IBM details, personal ID or job ID. And this is the simple basic thing, fundamental thing. You just need to give the details. That's all. So if you're facing any problem, please don't hesitate to reply in the comments. So I will definitely give the answer, I mean solution to you. And this is a redundancy form. So whereas coming to the application process, so this is a link to apply. So it is a pan India job, pan India job. It is not like hybrid or remote. So if you click on this apply button, it will redirect you to submit the person ID. So I said already, like the if you didn't get any IBM ID from IBM people, so you have to click create IBM ID and give your email address. Then it will create the new IBM ID for you. It is a unique one, so you can check the mails as I received. So just a minute. So I have already applied for this position, so that's why I am showing these mails to you. So once you activate your IBM ID, then you will get a code to activate your ID. So after giving this ID, code, you will get a mail like this. Your IBM ID is activated. ID is my mail, right? So Vinish VK1729, it is my mail. So in this way, you can uh, give create your registration ID is like IBM ID. So later upon you have to spare 5 to 10 minutes to complete the complete application process. It will take around 5 minutes or 5 minutes. So please do apply without doing any kind of small mistakes. So after applying this job, you will get the like mail like you have successfully submitted your job application 7729 associate system engineer. So you'll get a mail like this. So first of all, you have to note it down this your person ID. So it might be used in your future reference, and you will get a accommodation form also like this. So this is a accommodation is for coding challenge, like coding exam. So you have to solve two coding questions. So for that one, IBM itself provide a platform like coding platform or a coding IDE. So if you doesn't require any coding ID or to do the problems, you just click on I do not need any reasonable accommodation for that one. So after that, click on save. So that is a process of application for the IBM. So apply this job opportunities as soon as possible, because the time is very less. So no one will wait for you to apply. So you should go there and you should apply for the job opportunities. No a single job opportunities come to you and ask you to submit. So you should apply. You should aware of all the things. So that's why I'm making this kind of videos for your awareness. So I am also telling you, like don't wait for the last moment. Okay, so please do apply as soon as possible. And I would like to give one more bonus opportunity. So that is from Mart. India Mart is looking for associate software engineer role, and they are giving the eligibility for BE BTech in CSIT branch. Only 2024 passed out batch are eligible to apply. So the selection process is technical assessment, technical interview, and HR interview. There are 3 rounds in the selection process. So if you want to apply for this job, so please reach out to the to the HR. Should this post in this LinkedIn. So Sonam Garg, she uh, give a comment below. So she'll be connect with you, and she'll give you the link to apply. So this is a next hiring update, bonus hiring update from my side. So please do apply. All hiring updates are very genuine and very useful. Whatever I researched in everywhere, and I got those opportunities. So please don't wait for the last moment. Please do apply. And thank you so much for watching this video till this time. And I would like to thank you. Uh, uh, I would like to show my gratitude with to you because of your support and love. So I want this support till the end also. So please do support as in the same way, and also share this video to your friends. It would might be helpful to them.